Hello, good afternoon everybody. It's a very busy kitchen today. I am at my friend's house. It's his birthday today, so we're preparing food, and I have my friend here, Andrew, who's cooking us very good escabeche. And what else, Andrew? So many food. I'll show you later. And then Arlene here is also here to help me, but she really wants to learn how to make cassava cake. So cassava cake is vegan, and it will make it healthier using coconut sugar. So stay tuned. See you later. Okay, hi again. We're back. Of course, we have prepared the ingredients. We're making cassava cake because it's our friend's birthday here in this house, and also belated happy birthday, Arlene.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so for our ingredients, of course you will need cassava or tapioca. We've already shredded this. We peeled this on our own earlier. Soak and peel. But we use a food processor in order to shred this, so that's easy. And then we will need we will use coconut cream and then light coconut milk. I haven't, because I usually eyeball everything, so I will place all the measurements that I've used now later on, so just check on that. So this tapioca is about 2 kilos, okay? And then after that, we will use the healthy coconut sugar. This is just a jar that I reused, so I just place the coconut sugar here. We're using Himalayan salt, and then we'll need vanilla essence. Okay, Arlene, let's do it. Okay, basically we're just mixing everything. So the first step is, you can help me put all the cream. So the cream, let's see first, this is 500 ml, and then we'll see if we will add, and then I will add 200 ml of the light coconut milk. You can use the fresh coconut milk here, but because we don't have a lot of time to do that, we're using this, which is still okay. Actually, not much of a difference. And then I'm going to mix it to see how wet it is, so that we know if we need to add more coconut cream. Okay, I think we need to add more, Arlene. Can you add another maybe half of that first? So don't worry, guys. I will put the measurements in this video. Can you stop first? Maybe put all the light coconut. Okay. Oh wow. Do you smell that coconut? Coconut is so good and nutritious, and we're putting a twist in our cassava cake. Well, it's not a very big twist, but it's something that is a little different than the basic cassava cake. I'm going to add our coconut meat. This is fresh coconut meat. We drank the water earlier, the fresh coconut, and we'll also include this in the mix. So it means your cassava cake will have a little bit of crunch. Not the crunch, but a bit of the bite, the texture. So I'm going to place over here, and I'm even going to put a nice coconut syrup topping with some coconut meat again to make it more special. Okay, I'm mixing that up. So before we add more coconut cream, let's add first our sugar, because sugar is also a liquid ingredient and it will turn into liquid. So our coconut sugar, Arlene. So basically, we will put for 2 kg of cassava, we'll put about 1.5 of coconut sugar. So I'm just eyeballing everything, but because I'm already used to it, I know that it's 1.5. And then I will add over here another half. Coconut sugar is not not very sweet kind. It's very healthy. It's very good choice and alternative to make your food sweet. And then we'll put vanilla essence. This will make our cassava smell really nice. So I'm going to eyeball again. We'll put 1 tablespoon. And then we will put 1/2
Himalayan salt.
1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt to balance everything. I want to add more, maybe another pinch to balance everything. Okay, so I'm going to mix it and let's see how wet our mixture, and we'll know if we want to add more coconut milk. Okay, do you want to mix, Arlene?
Yeah.
Well, I try to wash my hands and prepare for our syrup. If we will put it on top of the cake when it cooks.
Oh, it has syrup as well.
Yes, so we are going to use this so that it's easy. And because it's a birthday cake, they said it should be round.
Yes.
I don't know why, but they said birthday cake should be round. Alright. So let me just have a feel if this is wet enough. No. So continue mixing, Arlene, and I'm adding more coconut cream. Ugh. This is a very good treat because it's still healthy. I'll just throw this.
Anything else?
Wait, let me just close because they're talking outside and their voices will be heard in our video. Hi again, everyone. Let me see, Arlene. Let me feel it. Oh wow, this is good enough. Okay guys, while we're mixing this is almost ready. We'll be back later. We'll just prepare the oven for this and we'll show you. Okay, we're ready to place this in the oven. So we're going to put it in this mold so that it's easy. You don't need to put it like all the way up. Just maybe about 3/4. So again, just 3/4. And don't forget to tap. Okay,
So
let's go.
Evenly.
Yes. Then, oops. Sorry, oven. Sorry, peds. Let's see how many. Oh, only 1 round. So I think we're going to use a square mold so that this part is not wasted. So we have this mold so that it would fit good.
Yeah.
180, 1 hour or less, or just look at its progress. I like it a little bit.
So
Yeah, I like it a little bit toasted in front, so
Yeah.
I'm sure it will be a little bit more.
Yeah.
Let's cook our syrup with coconut milk. Meat, not milk.
Ah.
Our caramel, not syrup. So it's a very simple. We're going to make a very simple caramel. We're going to use again coconut sugar, like I mentioned. My friend asked if we want to use honey. Honey is very nice, but because we've already used coconut sugar inside our cassava cake, so that the flavors are all together. But of course, you can try using honey. Nothing wrong with that. I just think that it's good to use coconut sugar all throughout. Okay, so to make the simple caramel, I'm just drying out the pan here because it has a little bit of liquid. We'll put coconut sugar. We have like a lot of cassava cake, so I will make a good amount of caramel because we will braise it on top. We will brush it on top, and then This kind of caramel is liquidy. Put a little bit of water. So it's going to be a liquidy caramel. And then I'll just, I think I need more coconut sugar because we have a lot of
That one.
cassava cake.
Over there.
Where is it? Oh, here. We're actually using a Philippine brand.
Whoa.
And we're very proud, and it's an organic coconut sugar. I'm not going to say what brand it is already. But we're very proud that the Philippines produce this kind of products, natural products, because we have abundance of coconut in our country.
Yeah.
And it's better than white sugar. It's better than the refined ones. So it might seem to be a lot, but we have a lot of cassava cake. And coconut sugar is naturally not so sweet. Okay, and then I'm going to place our coconut meat, which we sliced, because we had fresh coconut earlier with its juice. We drank it. Okay, and then this will be very, very nice. And I'm also thinking to place cinnamon here. Yeah. So I'm gonna steal some cinnamon from my friends. Cinnamon, where are you? Eh? Hindi pa nabuksan. I'll open it. Peds! I'm opening your cinnamon. What's this? Oh, it's okay. Just gonna pour it in. See? That's how experimental I am. Like, I'm just thinking in the kitchen, oh, I think it's just nice. Okay, I'll just put it in. Like, don't be afraid. Be bold. Yes. And we'll just make this simmer, and this will be ready later. And we'll put it on top. We'll show you. So our cassava is already cooked. See, let me show you. Look, we're still cooking a lot of things here, but I will feature that next time. So this is our cassava, and as you can see, it's not burned. It's just caramelization of our coconut sugar. And now we are going to place topping. So Arlene will help me hold the camera, and I'll place topping. Wow. Isn't this so special?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It should be special on the round because it's our
Birthday cake. Square. So don't be afraid that it changes this dark color. It's just because we are using cocoa sugar. It's darker, but it's not burned. Just keep watching.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we want to try a little. Okay, this is the one that's already cold. Like, it has already rested for an hour and a half,
yeah.
correct?
Yep.
Okay, let's try this. Woo! Woo! See, my friends there are doing their karaoke session. Look at that,
So
guys.
This is the texture.
It's so good, guys. And let's try. Wanna try? Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Good, good, good.
It's so good. Okay, I'll let Arlene try. What do you think? More. That side.
No,
Oh, good.
this is so good.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye!